Hey guys, what's up? So today I'll be showing you 3 split-screen multitasking apps that are inside the App Store. So basically these apps allow you to do 2 things at one time, make you more productive, and all free. So the first app is this one right here. So you tap to open up. You already get 2 different links. So you also can do wherever you want. So let's say I'm going apple.com on one of them. Tap on go. And let's say I'm going YouTube on the other one. If anything you guys want. YouTube. So I'm going to go to the app website and then go to youtube.com. Alright, so I'm on YouTube. I guess you can watch some videos, also browse another website. So I'm doing browsing the app website and watch some videos or do whatever I want. Alright, so the second app is called SplitNet, and this one's pretty popular. So basically, you have some of them down below. You have some of them that do and don't have multitasking. So you can just tap on it for the Google and the Facebook, and you basically get a Google and the Facebook. So you guys can just go to Facebook and go to anything you want on Google. So we go to back, and we actually have Instagram and Twitter. So we basically have Instagram and Twitter. You can go on the same time. And we go back, and then if you hold on to eBay, you have eBay and the Amazon one, so we have both of those. Go to back, and then we have the Google and I guess the Maps app. And the last app we have is called Multitasking Split Screen. So one tap on that, and it's there. You guys go. So you basically can just go wherever you want. This one, go to Instagram on one. So it makes you try to buy one, but you just continue with the limited version, so you don't have to subscribe. And then we go on the bottom, we do what we want. Someone go to Twitter, and that could be on 2 things at one time. Sign up, or log in, and then see basically both of them at one time. So, hey guys, pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys next one, and peace.